All right, people, back again with another vlog. This one's a quick vlog, and I'm just gonna give you a review of Holiday Inn Montego Bay. So this is the bathroom. Got a nice shower here. They give you a lot of towels as well. Depending on how they feel, they might give you some soap. With this bathroom door though, it's not like a traditional door. It's a bit olden, so it goes like that. Then these two sections here, they clip in. So there's actually no lock. So for some people, depending on who you share with, it might be a bit awkward, but for me it's all right. And then they got this section here, which is a wardrobe. It's not a closed wardrobe where you can actually close the door. It's actually an open wardrobe. They got a safe here, which is quite comfortable and can secure your stuff. It's actually a very spacious wardrobe, which is good. So that's very calm. And now here is the bed. I'm in room 1340. I believe this is a king or queen size bed, but it comes with a chest of drawer, and these lamps actually have sockets here. So I am a big fan of having a room with sockets close by. So that's a plus for me. Having a room or a bed with a socket nearby is a very good thing to have in any hotel you check in anyway. We've got a nice mirror here, which is good. Got a nice chest of drawer, a TV, which is good. They haven't got much channels, so if you got Netflix, you got your laptop with you or your PlayStation, connect it. I don't think, yeah, it's actually not a smart TV. Look at the remote. It's actually not a smart TV, so don't be expecting a smart TV when you come. I've actually got a PlayStation. I bought a PlayStation with me, so I can actually watch Netflix, or I can connect my laptop, which is good. Depending on the room you get, you actually get a fridge, but if you don't have a fridge, you can actually request it, I believe. So we got a mini fridge here. Even though you've got all-inclusive, no alcohols in the fridge, no drinks. I think I've got about 2 bottles of water, which I feel like if I made that all-inclusive, they should have made an effort and put some Coca-Cola or something, at least. Got Jamaican coffee, which is very, very good here. Got a coffee machine if you want to make coffee. 2 cups. Got a nice desk here, which is very good. This chair here is very, 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 sorry for the noise. This chair is very comfortable, but it annoyed me. As soon as any hotel I go to and it's all inclusive, I always check the fridge first. But the fact that there was literally nothing inside the fridge is very annoying. I don't care about the fact that we're in a pandemic. The fact that we're in a pandemic shouldn't stop you from having alcohol in your room. When I was in Rio, in Cancun, they actually had alcohol in the room. I wasn't expecting alcohol in the room in this hotel because it's much cheaper, but I was expecting at least some Coca-Cola, some Fanta, some lemonade, at least, you know, bare minimum. And then they give you this table here, which is good. Usually it's in the center, but I've moved it just to get a bit more space. Again, this is the bed here. This is a sofa. Depending on the room you have, some rooms have sofas, some don't have sofas, but this sofa can actually change into a sofa bed, which is comfortable. But however, when you change to a sofa bed, you have to request some extra sheets and towels. This is my bed here, very comfortable. I would give it maybe an 8 out of 10. It's a very nice bed, but it's a bit high up, because when you're ready to do your hanky-panky, it's a bit too tall, you know what I'm saying? I want a bed a little bit lower. Another thing, they clean your rooms every 2 days, so bear in mind. So for example, if my room is to be cleaned today and I put the do not disturb sign today, but if tomorrow I want my room cleaned, it won't be cleaned. I have to actually call reception, ask them for it to be cleaned, because they literally only clean the rooms twice every 2 days, sorry. So again, some rooms they have AC on the wall. My brother, his AC was like down here, so he actually had to physically get up, turn on the AC, turn it off. While my room, fortunately, I've got a remote where I can literally just press a button and it works. Unfortunately, it's nighttime now, but my room here, during the day, it has a nice view. I've got this section here is very, very quiet. And in the daytime, you can see the beach. There's a lot of sargassum down here during the daytime, so it's like seaweeds. But this section of the hotel is very, very quiet. Got some chairs here. Some rooms have 2 chairs, and we got a little section where if I want to wash my clothes, I can hang it up as well. So overall, I feel like this room, I would say it's a 7 out of 10, simply because they didn't give me any drinks in my room, and the fact that it has to be cleaned every 2 days. If I want my room cleaned every day, that should be an option. But I feel like this room is a 7 out of 10, simply because they didn't add no drinks or nothing in my room. Also, on the day I landed, there was 2 bottles of water, but every time it's been cleaned, they haven't upgraded it. They haven't given me extra 2 bottles of water, which I don't know if they're trying to be cheap. I don't know if they're cutting back on cost. I don't know if it's because it's not a 5-star place, but I feel like every time my room is clean, they should be adding an extra 2 bottles of water every time, and I shouldn't have to request it as a guest. But yeah, that's my little review of Holiday Inn Montego Bay. The room I'm in now, I'll give it a 7 out of 10. I was actually upgraded, but I feel like there should be drinks, there should be water refilled every 2 days or every day. I shouldn't have to request it. Naturally, as a guest, I'm expecting in an all-inclusive for me to get water, for me to get juice, for me to get drinks filled in my fridge. I don't see why that's a problem. I shouldn't have to request it. But yeah, this is my review of the room. If I have time, I will try and show you guys a bit of the hotel on another vlog. If I don't have time, that's just my overall review of the Holiday Inn Montego Bay.